What is going on, guys? We're back again with another video. Today we are actually looking at the truck. I will show you what has happened over here. We actually have a check engine light on the truck, so I'm going to show you how to kind of diagnose the issue, and I'll show you what tools I use. So, something that I have purchased a while back is called fixed OB2 port scanner. It hooks right to your phone. Let me just show you how you use this, and it actually will tell you any code of any vehicle that you have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in down here, because I've already done this, and then you can use your phone. So I will show you how to do this as well. You just go in, download the app, make a profile. So as you can see, I got a check engine light right there. I have no idea what it is. So let's this is very cool software right here. Go ahead and turn that off. But if you don't know anything about cars, it's very helpful. I got my wife's 4Runner on here, but I've already created my vehicle. You hit the truck, it already scanned it. I have minor driving impact. You click the diagnosis report, and it tells me I have a evap system small leak. Now this is the fuel system is not being sealed off completely. So if you actually click it, it'll tell you more. May not pass emissions. How common is this code? It sends you emails, and then it kind of tells you where to get it fixed. Sends you a video or whatever you want to look at, and it gives you the error code. So I know that I have a very loose gas cap, and it actually says that in the video, or in the video that I just showed you. It gives you the link to. So let me just show you this, and this will actually, I believe, throw an error code. So you can see my fuel tank here. Look at this. It doesn't tighten. So what I did is I went ahead and bought a new gas cap from AutoZone that we were going to put on today. So let me show you this as well. So I believe a $10 fix at AutoZone will fix my check engine light, and then you can actually clear the check engine light with the app. So I highly recommend getting one of these things. They're like $60 on Amazon, but they're well worth the money. It's also saved me, so as you can see, gas cap. So I'm actually going to go over here and see if this works. Another way you can actually clear your check engine light is by disconnecting your battery. If you did not know that, disconnect your battery, reconnect it, and it should work. So let me just go, and this should just come up, I believe. It's like that. So what I'm gonna do is start this thing back up and see if I can clear it with my phone. If not, if the app won't let me clear it with my phone, we'll go ahead and try this again. Let's say it'll connect, and it should clear the check engine light. That's what I'm hoping. I already have the, you just have to have that plugged into your OB2 port down there. Oh God. Let's see if it'll let me clear it or not. It may not. But this app will also give you like a basic maintenance log, depending on how many miles you have in your car, what you need to check every so many miles, which is helpful if you don't know what to check. It'll tell you like different stuff. So it's not letting me clear the code, so I'm gonna have to disconnect my battery, reconnect it, and then we should be good to go. But yeah, it tells you when to do your oil, your wipers, tires, battery, or whatever. All you gotta do is put your car information into it. It'll read it from the truck, and it'll actually automatically connect with the app once you have that with the truck turned on. So it's super helpful. Again, I'll put the link in the description below on how to do this. Now let's disconnect the battery and make sure we can reset this error code. All right, let's disconnect this. Be pretty self-explanatory. We're just going to take the negative terminal off. Disconnect it, reconnect it. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna start the truck back up. Let's see if this thing has cleared. $10 part. Let's hope for the best. And look at that. No more check engine light. We are good to go. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave comments below. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Have a good day.